So today I'm going to show how I clean door jambs. Well, one way that I clean them pretty fast is steaming them. And I use my steamer here. And I'm going to show you how I get these pretty clean. So as you can see, this one's kind of dirty. I've had worse. So I'm going to just demonstrate how I do it. And what I do is I grab me some APC cleaner, all-purpose cleaner, or your favorite degreaser, diluted. And I usually give it a quick spray. Sorry about that. Wasn't focused in there. And then I come back to my steamer. And I just agitate a little bit with the brush attachment. Get the big stuff off. Sorry about this. I'm trying to hold the camera with one hand and do the job with the other. Bear with me. What I do is I just hit all the big areas that I can get with the steamer in here with the brush attachment on it. So I have this nylon brush attachment. And you know, when I get the hoses right here, the little rubber, get all that grime loosened up as much as I can with the brush. I'm just doing this kind of really quick. I want to make a lengthy video. Just keeping your door jambs nice and clean, especially if you detail, you know, the inside of your interior and take care of your outside. Well, you want to be able to open your doors, you know, like, and see a nice clean door jambs. That's one of the things us detailers do, is it's all in the details, is we make sure we clean these door jambs out. Kind of gives it that extra nice fresh look to the vehicle. So sometimes when they're really bad, you know, you got to spend some time on it. So anyways, I'm just going to do this real quick. I'm not going to get really deep into it. Just kind of show you more or less. And then of course I go around all the top of it as well. Let me back up a little bit with the brush, just to agitate some of those cracks in there. Sorry about that. Filming one hand is not easy. And down in here, you get the bottom of the door seal. And you don't even need to use APC. Sometimes you can just straight steam it. No chemicals at all. Alright. Anyways, and you know, maybe wipe it down. Most likely I would come back with the different attachment. Sorry about that. Shaky here. Look with one hand. So I might change it over to something like this, if I can get in there real good. These little cracks and force all the dirt and grime out a little bit better. But I'm just kind of giving it a little quick demonstration. Anyways, then I just kind of get in here and mop it up a little bit. You can also get your little detail brushes, toothbrushes and stuff, and work it in there and then mop it up as well. By now with the steamer, everything's pretty much either blown out or loosened up. So anyways, it looks a lot better. And then after everything's cleaned out, then you can put some trim shine in there, your favorite vinyl dressing in there, and that'll get all these nice and reconditioned, looking like new again. Anyways, I'll show you this other door in the front. I already finished real quick. It's up in the front. So anyways, I just kind of did the same thing real quick. Sorry about that. And just put a little dressing on it. Freshen it up. Looks like it's still drying. Anyways, just wanted to give you a quick video. It's already a little lengthy already, so anyways, that's just how I steam door hinges. Also do them by hand, depending how bad shape they are in. You know, if I can do them by hand real quick. Sometimes they're not that bad, just come more dusty than they are grimy. Then I'll do it by hand with some APC and some brushes. But sometimes when they're really bad, then you have to break out the steamer. Gets the job done, get to the punch real quick. Anyways, see you guys in the next video.